Hello, marhaba and assalamu alaikum, and welcome back to a new episode of $1 Million Listing in Istanbul with your investment guide, Adil Sami. So, my lovely millionaires from all around the world, let me welcome you again to my series of $1 Million Listing in Istanbul. Can you see this villa behind me? From last 2 years, I was waiting for this one. I wanted to shoot this one, and I wanted to be the first one and the exclusive one to shoot this one. It's beautiful. At the moment, I have shot around 700 properties in Istanbul, and this one is amongst the best one. Beautiful, honestly beautiful. Let's talk about stats now. It's 2,200 meter square total land area. The covered area is 1,000. 7 bedrooms, 2 kitchens, 2 living rooms, 5 bathrooms, and I have just counted, we have place for the 10 car parking here. Honestly speaking, it's amazing, beautiful. And this will give you that vibe, that sense that you are a royal living in Istanbul, that 1%, the millionaire in Istanbul. And if we are talking about why you should come here, this property says everything. But still, why you should come here, and the location is checked mujhe. 40 kilometers from city center, and the vicinity is amazing. We have schools, hospitals, universities, malls, everything, whatever you need within this vicinity. And we are talking about the exclusivity. This is one-on-one, just one opportunity. And let's see who will be the lucky one to have this one. And now let's talk about the price. Is just $2.5 million. Yes, you heard it correctly. $2.5 million. And if you wanted to come here in Istanbul, live like a royal, live like a king, and you wanted to spend a luxurious life with your family, I believe this can be one of the best opportunities. Furthermore, if you wanted to talk about other opportunities, other options, you know whom to ask, Mr. Adil Sami. You can follow my life on Instagram, Adil Sami Official, and we will see you in Istanbul.